Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia, part of Magentic Network. Hello, welcome back with us, BPEC Benteng Panyyua English Club with Smart Up Your Life program. What is your holiday, smart listener? Is it running well, or you just stay at home? Well, today we still have some holidays feeling. So today's topic about ticket. Okay. So before we start our discussion, first of all, I would like to tell you, if you want to join with our discussion tonight, you may send us a message via WA di 0811 4610 11, or you just call us. To introduce myself, well, my name is Putri, and here I'm not alone. I'm accompanied by two great people. Okay, good job.
Hi, my
Hi.
name is Dewi. I'm a housewife and a proud mom.
Proud mom. Next.
Hello, I'm Khairul. I'm student for university, and it has been a long time that I didn't come here. So today it's my first time to come here again.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're talking about ticket price, even about public transportation, especially in airplane and ship. So I want to ask you guys: have you ever used one of them or both of them, like airplane or ship, when you want to go to your village or go wherever? Miss Devi.
With ship, I get experience about 2 times only, but it was a very long time ago when I was kids. But with airplane, I use almost every year. I must be going by airplane.
So you said that you must go every year by airplane.
Yeah, more or less about that, because it's not only about going holiday, but some things like some business with my husband.
Oh, so how's your feeling? How's your make compare that, or make a
Table or not, I think it's about how longer it takes, the hours we have to spend between the ships and airplane, because with airplane only about few hours, like a domestic flight that is maximum actually like 2 or 3 hours, and you don't have to wait for so long. And of course, some place you want to visit, or for doing traveling or business, it's more incredible than used by ship, because I thought using ship is not, it's not always useful for some place in Indonesia.
So it's quite different, yeah. But especially about the hours, how much it takes a long time.
And of course, how many places that they can it can reach. The ships and the airplane, because airplane must be reach some even a small place that we can use it. Also a small flight, a small airplane. But ships is not so compatible. Yeah, you need to go there to the big city first, to the big province, then you have to move to another ships again.
Okay, so by ship it's quite complicated,
Yeah,
if you
it's
want to
quite
move
complicated.
in the small town especially. Okay, thank you, Miss Devi. Mr. Herul,
Yes.
have you ever used ship or airplane or both of them?
Luckily, because I was born in Makassar, and I don't have any families outside of Makassar, outside of Sulawesi Selatan.
Sulawesi.
So I never travel using airplanes or ship. But I do understand what people need about the two transportation, because I have asked my friends that use ships and also airplanes, and yeah, they really need the comfortable one, especially about the ship.
Especially about the ship.
Yeah.
Oh, so but we can see nowadays that people more prefer about ship, even though it is comfort or not, because that's all because of the price itself. So like low economic people, they prefer ship, but the important one, they can arrive on their village itself. But for the airplane, they actually the airplane also can be used by a lot of people, but unfortunately, mostly people disappointed because of the price of airplane ticket. So, what do you think? I mean, you, Miss Devi said before that you more prefer about the comfortable, or I mean, you more prefer about the comfortable or the price itself.
Actually, I cannot choose because it's like a big correlation between the comfortable and the price. I mean, it's needed each other. It cannot be separated between the price and the comfortable. Of course, the more we have to pay, the more we get comfortable. And of course, using airplane is more low risk criminal than by ships. So I think, but if I have to tell my experience, that actually just because of the high price from these years, it makes me have to skip some of my plans to going abroad and going for traveling in Indonesia. I have to think twice because the price get more expensive, about 3 times than the normal price before.
So you want to wait until the price low?
Yeah, I was waiting for the miracle. Many times I told to the people that I believe in miracle. So it's just about we have to patience.
Okay. We have to patience, especially for the low economic people. We need airplane and then low budget.
Yeah, actually, because as we know that the price for going abroad is cheaper than domestic flight, but actually I thought it's same, because if we want to go abroad, of course we have to starting it first from Jakarta or from a big city like in Bali, Yogyakarta or something like that, and you know that destination is not cheaper. So I think it's same. We have to pay first for the domestic flight for the starting point before we going abroad. So that's why it makes me thinking twice about that.
But I also sometimes think that why we need to, for example, if we live in Makassar and then we want, for example, we want to go to Korea, and then I'm curious why we need to go to Jakarta first, then we go to the Korea, or why we cannot go from Makassar then directly to Korea.
Because there is no embassy in the airport, especially like in Makassar. Even though Makassar is a metropolis city, but it's not still, it's a bit complicated than in Jakarta. You know, Jakarta is a capital city, so every single procedure that you have to pass, and it's not easy to bring a passport, especially you use your you want to go abroad, that using visa, of course you have to apply in Jakarta, because in Jakarta all its embassy are access, I mean from any country. So that's it.
Okay, thank you, Miss Devi. Okay, smart listener, if you want to join with our discussion tonight, you may send us a message via WhatsApp di 0811 4610 11, or you may call us directly di 8311 225. We will back. Well, where is your village actually?
My village?
Yeah.
No, Indonesia.
I mean Indonesia especially.
Goa.
Oh, Goa.
I'm living in Goa.
Oh.
I don't know how to say. Is it right, Goanas?
Okay.
I'm 100% Makassaras.
Oh, okay. So your father's home in Goa also.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so when you want to go in your father's house, then you go there by what?
Actually, my home, from my house to my father's
Hmm?
home, it takes only about 15 minutes by motorcycle.
Oh.
So it's so close.
Oh, it's very
Yeah.
close.
And when I don't have any rice or any food in a refugee, I just go to my parents' house.
Oh.
Shelter.
So something. It means when I get poor, then I come to my parents.
Okay. So maybe you can also walk.
No,
No.
no, not at all, because it's I will lose my weight maybe if I have to go by. Yeah, it could be.
It could be,
Mhm.
but
If I'm strong enough.
but motorcycle and with your family, and then you go there by car or motorcycle, or but do you ever use your own vehicle when you want to go holiday with your family, especially?
The point of question means I'm riding it.
Yeah, if ever.
Oh, because I don't know how to ride it.
I can I can riding in my skate, but I don't know how to riding any complicated transportation like car, motorcycle,
Oh, okay.
bicycle.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Harold.
Yes. My village is Makassar.
Mm.
I was born here and grow here. So I don't have any village. But my parents' village is in Takalar.
Oh, Takalar.
Yes.
So when you